going to be doing an Urban Decay makeup tutorial for you guys. I want to use my new palette that I recently got for Christmas. I'm really excited to use this because this has really nice colors. So I wanted to give you guys an Urban Decay makeup tutorial and give you guys a review and just see how I feel about it because it is a new palette. So before I get started, give this video a fat thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to always be notified of my videos. And let's get this started quick because I'm not going to be doing contour or anything. I'm more focused on the palette. So if I could get my foundation out, that would be lovely. So I never got around. I just posted a night routine video for you guys and I'm actually really happy that I did because I never got around to wish you guys a happy New Year's. I honestly cannot believe we are in the new year. Like, it's honestly like I'm honestly in disbelief to say that we're in the new year, because it's like, how, you know? Like, how are we in the new year? Like, it's just mind-blowing to me. Guys, you don't even understand. I got a TV table for Christmas, and I know that doesn't sound like the most exciting gift, but honestly, this gift has been the most helpful for me for editing, for filming for you guys, and stuff like that. And it's like sturdy, so it's not like where the table shakes, and I have like all my makeup in front of me. Like, I usually keep it on my bed, but now that I have a table, it's kind of helpful because I don't have to like look around for it and just stress myself out, you know? I feel like this year is definitely going to be a good year for me. I've been focusing on myself more. I've been putting myself as my priority this year, and I'm not letting people ruin my year, because I feel like I've let so many people ruin every year for me, and for some reason there's just something that always happens that I get all stressed out about. I just want it to be my year, and I want to be happy and just focus on me, because I have much more important things to worry about. I have so many brushes, guys. Like, I literally just received a bunch of brushes for Christmas, and I literally had to get a bigger case for it. So that's fun. So I'm trying to see where my, oh, here it is. It's like right in front of my face. So I'm trying to like focus on me more this year. Last year was kind of rough, not like in a bad way. Like, I know people have it much harder, but like I feel like it was a little rough for me because I just kept not thinking about myself. Like, didn't care about my health, didn't think about like taking, like, not that I didn't care, because I was doing any way I can to take care of my health, but it was like, it was just honestly stressful, you know? Like, I couldn't like get the doctor's appointments I wanted and like get the answers I needed, and then I started getting bills, and so it just got really stressful. So I was just not feeling it. Okay, so my setting spray I usually use is stuck, so that's fun. Okay, so I'm gonna start going into the Urban Decay palette. Really like open this on Christmas, but like look how nice this palette is. Like, It is so like different. It has a mirror. I didn't even know it has a mirror. Ooh, these colors though. I don't even know which ones I want to use. Okay, so this mirror is gonna be helpful. So I think I'm gonna go in with like maybe like an orangey brown. Like these three maybe right here. I think that would be a nice match. So yeah, so I want to focus on myself more this year. That's just my main priority. Is just, I've been actually getting a lot of stuff done with my health recently. So be on the lookout for an update video because I will be eventually making one. It's just I want to get into, you know, go to the rest of my doctor's appointments and give you guys an update instead of just giving you an update like one at a time, if that makes sense. My skin has been so dry, so I have like dryness on my nose. I'm like trying to see which brush I want to use. This is actually like really light. It doesn't even look like I put anything on my arm. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with this orangey color. So far, I actually really like this. I don't really have anything bad to say about it yet. There's no fallout, so that's good. We don't like a fallout palette, that's for sure. I don't know where. I have so many brushes, it's like insane. Where's my blending? Guess we'll use this to blend. Oh, I like this color. Such a nice color. Do you see that? I think I'm gonna go on with some brown too. That's pretty. Alright. So now I'm gonna go in with a little darker brown and just lightly pat it on my eye and then just blend it out. I actually love this color. Really pretty. Okay, so I think I want to cut my crease a little bit. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna cut it right here. I put too much. Only Emily does that. Oh wait, I have a concealer brush. Where is it? So many brushes. Oh, here's my blending brush. Find it after. Alright, I'll just use this brush. It's actually one of my new brushes. So we're gonna kind of cut the crease right now. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but I'm gonna cut the crease. I think I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with this stranded color. It's a pretty color. It's the darker right here. Guys, look how pretty that is. So I'm gonna get off camera and do the next eye, and then I will be right back. My eyeliner also off camera because I always struggle with my eyeliner on camera because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So now I am gonna put my false lashes. Like right in front of my face, man. So I'm gonna not put dramatic lashes like I've been doing. I'm gonna put like these natural lashes on. Ooh, I hate when I drop my lashes because then I can't find it because I'm blind. And I'm not blind, but I can barely see. And then I can't find my glasses, and then I'm struggling. You know what I mean? I hate that fashion. So, I'm gonna put this lash on right there, just like that. Look how simple. Boom, like magic. My camera is like legit about to die. Literally running out of lash glue. That's how much I've been doing my lashes and stuff. Like, it's insane. So I actually just stocked up on some because I like wearing lashes now. So that's fun for me. It's like a little exciting because I learned how to put them on. So now I'm gonna go in with my telescopic L'Oreal mascara because I feel like it gives it more of an intense look, and I like to blend in my regular lashes with this, so that's what we're about to do. I love how my makeup came out, guys. Like, so now I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. They actually just came out with this, so I want to see how it is. Ooh, the brush is like hard as a rock. Ooh, I like this color though. Okay, the brush is a little weird because it's like hard. Oh, there we go. It's like, what the hell? Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I actually really like this palette. I have nothing really bad to say about it. There's no fallout. The colors are beautiful. I actually can't wait to use this more often. I just love how my makeup came out. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.